Welcome back to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to these 3 yoga poses designed to reduce stress and anxiety. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin coming into an extended child's pose. So let's bring our knees as wide as the mats, letting the big toes touch behind you. From here, just start to walk your hands long in front of you and let your forehead rest in the mats. I encourage you to close your eyes here. And if you are dealing with stress and anxiety and your mind's just racing, I strongly encourage you just to try your best to really tap into the present moment. So the best way I've found to do this is just to focus on your breath. So just try and pay attention only to your breathing. And if you have all these unnecessary thoughts, maybe just try and imagine there's a trap door at the crown of your head and just let them all fall out. And on your next exhale, let's slowly, mindfully release. From here, let's make our way onto our bums and let's extend our legs out long. Take your time getting here. And let's keep the legs together and let's keep the feet flexed towards us. On our next inhale, let's bring our hands up towards the sky. And on your next exhale, just melt it forward. We'll come into a seated forward fold here. So again, I encourage you to close your eyes, just come back to your breath. In this pose, we're really breathing into the back of the legs here as well. So you should feel a really nice stretch in the calves and the hamstrings. If you can grab onto the feet, that's awesome. If you can't, that's okay. Just let the hands rest where they naturally fall. And on your next exhale, slowly, mindfully release, roll it back up. From here, let's make our way onto our backs. And once we get to our backs, let's bring the soles of the feet together, letting the knees open up wide, letting the hips open up naturally here, coming into a reclined butterfly pose. So a few options with your hands. You can keep them down by your sides, or you can have one hand on your belly, the other one on your heart. Again, close your eyes and just come back to your breath. From here on your next exhale, slowly, mindfully start to release. So if you want, you can take a Shavasana here, just extending the legs out long, extending the arms out long, lying here for as long as you like. Or if you're ready to go, we can rock up, coming into a seated position of your choice. And that wraps up our short little practice today. So I encourage you to come back to this video if you are dealing with stress and anxiety and you're just looking for a little 5-minute getaway to kind of bring you back to earth, to help ground you and whatnot. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands together up at our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much.